we're here. Let's see. I heard Butch performing. Oh, it's a video. Big Tony. We're in the trailer getting ready. Don't mind us. We just like to act goofy. Wait. You can't see. Okay, never mind. I'm trying to get you. Wait. Oh, wait. We're ready to hit the stage. All right, let's get it, girls. Mama was trying to go a little behind the scenes. We finished our first and second session. I was like, well, let me take a little behind the scene. We're gonna go right back on stage with my girls. Actually, it was me and my girl Dejha, and then the other girl is supposed to go back. There she go behind me. She hot. After a great performance, Dejha and I decided to have a good time. I almost bust her head open. Anyway, so before we headed home, we stayed, we have a good time, we put our phone down at Goofy. We just got done eating, we're backstage by ourselves in the VIP. Why not have a good time? We can see the stage. I think T-Bus were performing, so yeah, live a little, just live a little. Backstage.